हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल कॉल्ड मोटिवेशन बाय विशाल मोदी। 8th मार्च इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे अराउंड द ग्लोब। सोचा है कभी आपने कि क्यों इस दिन को इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे की तरह सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? 150 साल पहले सिचुएशन ऐसा नहीं था। Women didn't had so many rights. They were not considered equal to men. They couldn't buy properties. They couldn't vote. They couldn't stand in parliament. They were denied for access to certain public properties. They were not allowed to dress up in certain manner, in certain way. They couldn't ask for divorce. And then women stood up for their rights. They fought. They gave up their lives. And so situation started changing. Today, the situation has changed a lot, but I feel sorry when I get to know that in Forbes 500 company, only 7% of companies are run by women CEO. So today I'm not going to speak much. I have interviewed women from different background, different fields, different age, and they are expressing themselves. They are expressing their opinion about feminism, about Women's Day, and what they expect from the world around, from we men. So let's take few of the questions from women. What's your favorite thing about being a woman?
Well, there are a lot of things that I love about being a woman. I mean, we create the world, right? But most importantly, I think it's 2021 and the ability to still surprise the society when a woman does something, the ability to still surprise them with what women can achieve owing to the deep patriarchal society that all of us have been into.
My favorite thing is freedom of speech. It's freedom of expressing yourself, putting on your opinions and your thoughts.
Lots of favorite things, but the best among them is to find, to see the finer details in every situation, which men generally miss. And the kind of job that I'm in to add a gentle touch to every difficult situation.
So one of the things that I love about being a woman is the options we get when it comes to dressing. Like there's so much variety, so much options, and there's so much to do with the mood. Like the moods reflect, like if you're in a happy mood, we suddenly dress bright. If we are like in an okay mood, like do not disturb kind of a dressing is there. So yeah, I love that we are so expressive, most of us.
One assumption about a woman that you would like to change and why?
See, assumption would be that by default, we all women are trained in such a way that we, being a nurturer, we by default take it as our life has to be a very sacrificing one. This is one thing which I would really like to change.
औरत है तो हर चीज का ध्यान उसी को रखना है. She is the one who has to be taking care of certain things.
That women are weak and they can't decide for themselves. I mean, brains are all gender neutral, and we would love people to accept that we can make our own decisions.
One assumption that I'd like to change about women is that every woman needs a man. Well, Cher said men are like desserts. And honestly, I love desserts. But I don't want them every day.
Is it hard to be a woman in this country?
This is more of a social environment in the part of the world that I come from. So it gives me a lot of pride and pleasure that I come from the country of Ardhanarishwar, जहाँ शिव और शक्ति दोनों की पूजा की जाती है और कुछ इस तरीके से that it brings a lot of harmony, happiness, prosperity and wealth.
It's not that hard, but I would say it's not that easy because ultimately you have to stand for yourself, and that's it I would like to share.
You are not supposed to sacrifice every time and in every hour of your life. So if you are really connected to your life purpose and divinity, then you would not bow down to the stereotype expectations.
I think women are not safe anywhere in the world. And that's the reason why I think this question crossed your mind. Had we been safe, this was not something that you would ask me. We've been targeted, molested, abused, raped, and even the basic things where a woman is considered independent comes with a lot of judgment and assumptions.
Not really. If you put your mind, body, soul into any situation, I don't think I've had a very gender neutral perspective on situations. And if it's in your mind, it's going to show in these situations. So I've never really faced any situation which is, per se, it is against me because I'm a woman.
What do you expect from we men?
So there has been exploitation. An exploitation on the ground that whatever is weaker, that gets exploited. But I am sure that we are waking up with the thought that biases on the basis of gender is now such a passe. And it is actually the balance of a man and a woman, which is really, really empowering.
Come beyond it conservative way of thinking, what people have been saying or what history has been saying. Do not make it as a standard approach to it. Change your approach with the situation, with the time, because women in today's world is excelling in every field. You name it and she is there. You will definitely find one woman doing the best.
Frankly speaking, I don't expect anything from men. Just one pointer to them. It is one pointer for them. It is not expectation that women can also be as ambitious as you are or more ambitious than you are. So it is very normal and take it the same way.
Understanding and respecting differences in opinion, because I find that not only from men, this is the thing that I would expect from everyone, every citizen around. Because that's where the clashes, the arguments and all takes place.
Well, the least a man can do is to listen. Like patiently listen to your mother, sister, girlfriend, partner, spouse, anybody. For centuries, women have been silenced, and now it's your time to pass the mic and let a woman speak.
What's your International Women's Day message to all the women around?
So, my dear, there are two kinds of work in this world. One is the visible work and another is invisible work. And this world is going to reward you for the visible work that you do. So make sure that you sprinkle your act of confidence. You are on point and not beating the bushes.
See, we are co-creator of our life, right? We are nurturer, we know. We create lives, we know. But we are also co-creator of our life. So feel that power. Feel that connection, feel that divinity, and live your life the way.
Stand up for yourself, for your choices, for your finances, and for your responsibilities. No matter what your dad earns, what your brother earns, or what your husband earns, but ultimately it's you who need to be self-financed for your choices, and you need not to be asking out someone else's for your options. And that's where we see a great change in our society.
Just believe in yourself. There will be a time that you may feel nobody believes you. Maybe that is reality, nobody believes you. But believe in yourself and everything will fall in place.
Celebrate the brat within. Be unapologetic. I've got acne, stretch marks, big thighs, paunch, body hair, and frizzy hair. But do I care? Honestly, yes. But this Women's Day, letting myself loose from all the stereotypes. And as I like to call it, stereotypes. Embracing my flaws and living it up to the fullest without considering anybody's judgment.
Aim high, fly high, and trust your wings.
Life is tough. So are you. The toughest.
Wish you all a very happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day!
Happy International Women's Day.
Wishing everybody a beautiful International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day to all women and all men who support us and let us be.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day!